all to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to do certain words which have a different saying in the basic English and versus the advanced English. So let's begin. The first word is ask. You can look to my pronunciation how I say the words. It's ask. And in advanced English we say it request. It's request. The second one is immediately. I repeat, it's immediately, and we say in a heartbeat. The third one is have a nice day. I repeat, it's have a nice day, but in advanced English we say have a good one. In basic English we say need. I repeat, in basic English we say need, but in advanced English we say require. We say in advanced English it's require. And the fifth one is a lot of things. It's a lot of things. And in advanced English we say a bunch of things.